So you've been given a derivative, and you've been asked about relative maximums. And so again, I've got my handy sketch where I see on the original function, I have a maximum when the derivative changes from positive to negative. So if I could only graph this, I'd be well on my way. So I can see that this is derivative second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is really x to the sixth in behavior. So it's going to open up, and I'm going to bounce, cross, cross, bounce. Well, 0, I bounce, 1, I cross, negative 2, I cross, negative 4, I bounce. Cross, bounce, negative 2, I cross, negative 4, I bounce. And I know that I am high to high, so that helps me draw bounce, cross, bounce, cross. And I'm looking for my derivative to change from positive to negative. Here's positive, 0, negative. That's going to be a max. This one would be a min. The other ones are neither, they're plateau points. So I have 1 relative max, and it occurs that x equals negative 2, not that I was asked for that.